All right, we saved the best for last. Delmonico Steakhouse, Emeril Lagasse. Last night, dinner. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Make it happen. Did you want more? Did you want to say more?
No, it's okay.
Okay, come on.
Watch.
Keep rolling. Okay, you can start with yes, I'm very excited.
Yes, I'm very excited.
I thought you had more.
No, that was it. You just interrupted me.
She's excited.
Oh, I love you.
Go ahead, tell him.
We're gonna make it happen.
So far?
It is going well. How was yours?
Good.
You guys been?
We just opened, so slowly easing into it, but not too busy.
Ooh, we got the
Oh, that's
fancy
good.
room. Either they're putting us in the fancy room because they think we're fancy, or
All right, perfect. Thank you.
putting us in the fancy room because they think we're gonna act up.
Thank you.
What's it gonna be?
All right. So today I'm gonna go with.
Wait a minute, it's not your birthday meal, so don't get crazy.
I'm gonna go with one of the house specials. It's a dinner special. It is a grilled Creekstone Farms bone-in New York strip steak. And it has roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. I'm also going to be splitting, I can't even remember what it's called, fingerling potatoes with Donnie. So that will be my order.
Not just fingerling potatoes, salt boiled with confit, garlic, and fresh herbs.
Ooh, that went quick.
All right, I'm gonna go with the signature steak, which is the prime bone-in ribeye. You know how I feel about a ribeye, fat is flavor. 20-ounce Creekstone Farms, naturally raised, dry aged on the premises. So it's gonna be delicious.
You want to try your roll?
Oh. Ooh, very crispy. Crispy, very delicious. Made. How's that bread?
It's very good.
You sure you can interrupt your dance for a comment?
It's good. It's very good. It's crispy. It's flaky. I've never had bread like this before.
Thanks,
It's delicious.
Heather. Back to the dance. Oh, we got food. Oh, yes.
That's beautiful. All right,
That looks
gorgeous.
amazing.
I don't think so.
I think we're good.
All right. Thank you.
Oh my Lanta. And wait a minute. Look at this monster. Woo! Okay.
I like when you hold the camera because I get the food first.
You know we're at a fancy place when they have white.
Look at how perfectly
tablecloths.
cooked that is.
The waiters wear suits and ties. They have like 2 helpers.
Oh my gosh, this is perfectly cooked medium.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. I don't know, look at the garlic. Are you going to smash that up and eat it?
Mm-hmm. This is amazing.
Okay, we got a king-size bed. Just stay on your side. Are you going to try a tasty potato?
I am. I'm going to try some of this garlic first. It's amazing. Baby potatoes. Very good. That's amazing.
Okay. It's the ribeye. Okay, it's nice char on the outside. Butter on the top of the steak.
How's the temperature?
Perfect. Oh.
What do you think of that?
First of all, I love steak. And I love a good steak. And this is good. Nice char on the outside. Perfect temperature on the end. Now let's try a tater. Taters are really good.
Full of wine behind you.
That's a wall of wine right there.
Right.
Check out the wall of wine. There's even a ladder on the left side to get to the top shelf. All right, Delmonico steak wrap up.
It was good.
It was really good. At one point, I told Heather that at a fancy restaurant like that, they get offended if you don't pick up the bone and start gnawing on it. What did you say?
Not buying it.
She said, don't you dare.
Right. Don't do that.
That's the best bites, right? The steak. What are you doing?
Fixing your mic. It was tucked inside your shirt.
Oh.
Try and help him out. He's not
To
helping.
be dressed on camera.
Okay. Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
The steak was cooked perfectly.
Yes, that was
Char on
perfect.
the outside, very tender. I could barely eat it all.
You didn't eat it all.
I left a bite.
Slacker. I ate all mine.
Now, are we comparing?
Let's not. It was
No?
good. It was
All
good.
right. So,
We're not going to compare it to anything because it's not fair. I don't think it's fair.
not fair. I'm going to put the receipt right here, so you can see exactly how much it costs. It is a fancy place, very nice, and we definitely recommend it. So if you're coming to the
Absolutely.
Venetian, Delmonico Steakhouse by Emeril Lagasse. If you enjoyed this video, give it the thumbs up to help us out. And if you like the channel, consider subscribing. See you next time.
Give me a smooch.